Results are in for the spring election. One statewide race on the ballot. That's for a spot at the Supreme Court.
We have reporters live at headquarters for both candidates' campaigns. Rebecca Clough in Wisconsin Dells, Tom Durian here in Milwaukee.
But first, Charles Benson anchors our election coverage. Charles.
Well, certainly a big night. The tagline for Rebecca Dallet's campaign commercial said, "Rebecca Dallet on the ballot." Well, after tonight's win, it's Dallet on the bench for the state Supreme Court with a double-digit win. A job that comes with a 10-year term, and it looks like a decisive win in what was a divisive, nonpartisan race. Democrats turning out big in liberal-leaning Dane County for her. Dallet's win tightens the high court's 5-2 conservative lean to now 4-3. Let's get to Tom Durian. He's with the winner.
Yeah, Charles, a little loud in here right now, but earlier tonight when those Republican stronghold counties started coming in and Dallet's challenger was ahead, it was very quiet. But as the more populated areas in our state and the voting results started to come in and her double-digit lead held, people here were very excited. Now, after her victory, Dallet talked about the year-long campaign and crossing the state, meeting all the different voters, the 29,000 door knocks and the countless emails and texts her team sent out, and what is technically a nonpartisan race. As you mentioned, both sides received an unprecedented amount of endorsements. Dallet with the names like former Vice President Joe Biden, and Screnock with the likes of the National Rifle Association.
Tonight we proved that when the people rise up and stand together, we can beat the special interests. We beat the NRA, and we beat the millions of dollars that were spent on this race flooding into our state.
Now, Dallet pledged to help her current colleagues on the Wisconsin State Circuit Court bench here while she remains in her final months, and then help them when she moves to Madison and the higher court.